24/7 and contactless. The new BMW contactless service offers an easy and fast service solution. After booking a service appointment via the My BMW app, you get a notification in the app to check in for service the night before. Check your service appointment details and select Start Check-in. Leave all needed information as well as your preferred method of contact. Just answer a few questions, like if you want your wiper blades to be replaced. With the online check-in, you can save time when dropping off your car, even outside opening hours. At your dealership, check in at the service kiosk with your license plate or your phone number. The display shows details for your service appointment that you have entered during the online check-in. Of course, you can edit these and add notes for the service team. The compartment to drop your key in is opened automatically. Insert your car key in there and make sure to close the hatch. During the inspection of your car, you will receive a personalized video about your service directly from the workshop. If additional services are required, you can authorize these online. Once your service is completed, you will receive a notification regarding the online payment. Just follow the steps in the My BMW app. As soon as everything is done, you get another notification with a pickup code for your key and car through your preferred channel. Ready to pick up your car? Use the checkout pin that your service partner sends you. The compartment opens automatically. Take out your car key. The screen shows where your car is parked. Done! The easiest and convenient way for a service appointment. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.